Hello children, welcome to VJV portal. I am Kritika Deshpande, your mathematics teacher. In this video, I will tell you about your syllabus of mathematics for session 2020-21. So let's start with brief introduction of mathematics syllabus. This will be your prescribed book for the session, that is Explore Mathematics by Cordova. In this book you will see following chapters, that is chapter number 1, numbers. In this chapter you will come to know about 4-digit number, 5-digit number, that is numbers beyond 999, number name, ascending order, descending order, and arranging them, comparing, forming numbers, and so on. In chapter number 2 you will learn more about numbers, that is predecessor, place value, face value, all this. Chapter number 3, Roman numerals. In this chapter you will learn certain rules to write Roman numbers, what are Roman numbers, 7 symbols of Roman numbers, all this. Chapter number 4 is addition of 4-digit and 5-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping, and rules of addition. In chapter number 5, that is subtraction of 5-digit number, its rules, subtraction with regrouping and without regrouping. With regrouping and without regrouping means with carrying, with borrowing or without borrowing. Chapter number 6 is multiplication. In this chapter first we will learn table from 12 to 15. Chapter number 7 is division. Chapter number 8 is fraction. Chapter number 9, patterns and symmetry. Chapter number 10 is basic geometrical concept. Chapter number 11 is measurement of length. Chapter number 12 is measurement of weight. Chapter number 13, measurement of capacity, that is volume. Chapter number 14 is money. Chapter number 15, time. And last chapter 16, that is data handling. So children, to know that you have understand all this chapter, our school conduct periodic test and term exam according to CBSE curriculum, that is periodic test of 20 marks and term exam of 80 marks. So children, by learning the concepts of mathematics, you will be able to apply all these concepts and solve real life problem. So as your book name, explore mathematics and enjoy mathematics.